Hello guys. Recently, we've been hearing a lot about machine learning, artificial intelligence, artificial reality, virtual reality, Internet of Things, and data analytics. In this episode, we will take a closer look at machine learning and the opportunities that are available in this space. Machine learning is the science of getting computers to act without being programmed. In the past decade, machine learning has given us self-driving cars, practical speech recognition, effective web search, and vast improvements in various medical fields. And machine learning is so pervasive that these days we use it probably dozens of times a day without even knowing it. So let us understand what is machine learning. Machine learning is a method of data analysis that automates analytical model building. It is a branch of artificial intelligence based on the idea that computers should be able to learn and adapt through experiences. Now let us have a look at evolution of machine learning. Because of new computing technologies, machine learning today is not like machine learning of the past. It was born from pattern recognition and the theory that computers can learn without being programmed to perform specific tasks. Researchers interested in artificial intelligence wanted to see if computers can learn based on data. The iterative aspect of machine learning is very important as models exposed to new data are able to independently adapt. They are able to, based on previous computations, produce repeatable and reliable results and decisions. It's not a new science, but one that has gained fresh momentum. While machine learning algorithms have been around for a long time, the ability to apply complex mathematical calculations to big data over and over, faster and faster, is a new development. Here are a few widely publicized examples of machine learning applications that you may be familiar with. The heavily hyped self-driving Google car or Uber car is an example for the essence of machine learning. Online recommendation offers made by Amazon and Netflix is an example of machine learning applications for everyday life. And knowing what customers are saying about you on Twitter is an example of machine learning being combined with linguistic rule creation. If machine learning has been there for a long while, why is there hype now? The resurging interest in machine learning is due to the same factors that have made data mining more popular than ever. Things such as greater volume and varieties of data available, computational technology being more cheaper and more powerful, and affordable data storage. All these factors mean that it is possible to quickly and automatically build models that can analyze large data and even complex data to produce faster and accurate results even on a very large scale. And by having accurate models, an organization has a better chance of identifying profitable opportunities or avoiding an unknown risk. Currently, machine learning is being heavily used by industries which handle huge data. The demand for machine learning experts in these domains is also seeing a big uptick. Some examples of industries which heavily use machine learning technologies are governments, healthcare, e-commerce, transportation, financial services, and oil and gas industries. With increasing interest and investment in machine learning and artificial intelligence, there is going to be a huge demand for experts in machine learning in the coming years with a fat paycheck. So if you are interested in programming, data analysis, or statistical modeling, it is the right time for you to learn machine learning. I wish you all the best for your career.
Do you wish to join this course? Do get connected with best trainers and training companies. Visit the link.